Hey, what's up, family? Hey, what's up? What's up? Man, I have a big task at hand on today. Well, should I say this whole week? It's almost Christmas, and we are going to give Julian his own room. He is the youngest of the family. My oldest daughter, she is going off to college, and she is 21 years old, and she's starting her life and doing her thing. So we have 1 week. It is Monday. He'll be back on Friday. So I have a task at hand. You can kind of look around at what I'm going to do. I have the paint already, kind of like the tape already for me to tape and paint. His favorite character is Sonic. So I'm going to do blue and red for Sonic's body and red for his shoe. Got 1 week to do it, man. I'm going to show you before and then we'll see the after. It's kind of junky right now, but let's see how it turns out. 1 week. Let's go. We're doing it. All right, we got AJ in here. He flexing for us. He's gonna help us move out. Look at this. He's picking up like he's super strong. All right, that's strong.
Built different.
You built different. Okay, Mr. Builder. Move this out of here, and then we're gonna go from there. All right. And I am going to move this. We just get to the.
Strong.
All right, it's day two. Day two, we are at it. It is time to paint. All right.
Turning back.
No turning back. For sure.
Oh, it's pretty. That's orange. That's very vibrant. It's not orange. It's like a light red.
That is cool.
It looks orange on the screen. Red.
Yeah, it's red.
You can't tell the camera,
Move around though. Yeah, you go.
I'm going.
Here we go. Blue. Ooh.
Who is so? Oh, red is better. Come on, now he's on the way.
Go.
All right. It's day three. It's day number 3, and we have some stuff on the wall. I just need to go over it again to get the spots and everything, and then go over the edges. All right. So day 3, as you can see, it's just me by myself. I think everyone's arms are still hurting, but day 3, man. What's today? Today's Wednesday. He'll be back on Friday, so I don't have quite a full week, but I have a couple of days, so I'm excited, and we'll see how everything works out, see how it looks on day 4. So let me get to work. Let's go. All right, put in the work, and let me zoom out. Bam. Let's see, we are completed, everyone. We put in the work, got it together, red and blue. Bam. Look at that. Hey. Okay. He's gonna be so super excited. All right. It is Thursday. 1 more day left. We are almost completely finished. I have the vacuum. I'm about to vacuum the floor. Everything is looking good. Looking great. I have the floors cleared off. All I like to do now is vacuum, and we are going to start on the bed. You guys see that box in the corner there? And you can, that box there. And we'll be starting on the bed next. Whew, almost there. All right, went to Walmart, picked up a little buddy. Hey, everybody. Hi. Okay, let me quit. Yeah, so I got him a Sonic. Yeah. Putting the bed together next. Whew. This thing was heavy taking upstairs. All right, we got the bed done. Put it together. Oh Almost there. All right. Time for the poster. Sega. Well, as you can see, we are finished. That's right, the room is completely done. Man, he is going to be super excited. Look there, Sonic and the whole crew is here. The room is done and we are excited for tomorrow. Oh, look at that. Yeah, man, this is awesome. All right, it is Christmas Eve. We have worked hard and put forth the effort and the painting and the hurting of the arms. So just to see this very day, it is Christmas Eve and Julian is on his way back home and we are going to surprise him. Man, I'm so excited. I'm just so thrilled that he's going to have the opportunity to see everything that we've done and for him to have his own room. Man, this is such a blessing. All right, so the next video you'll see is Julian being surprised with his new room. Stay tuned.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open the door!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Look around. What do you see?
I see you.
You see this? This is your new room.
Yes.
You see everything? Isn't that awesome? You see the Sonic?
Yes, I see it.
You see everything? How you like it? It's cool, right?
It's so awesome.
Merry Christmas. That's from me, from Mom, Ayana and AJ. We all came in here and we painted and worked really hard for you, for your room. So, Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There you
There you go.
Is it comfy?
It's comfy. All right, so we are done. Julian has his room and we are excited. We are excited for Christmas. Everybody's excited for Christmas? Yeah. We're finished. The project is done. The Sonic room is finished. All right, well, you saw the beginning from the beginning to end. Merry Christmas to all and to all. A good night. Happy New Year. Good night. All that. Yeah.